National School Counseling Week is February 2nd through the 6th, and here's the theme: School Counselors Amplifying Student Success. In this video, I'm going to share 5 easy school-wide activities that you can use to celebrate and advocate for your role. If you watch this video all the way to the end, I'll let you know how you can get some pre-made templates and resources that'll help make this easier for you. You can create an amplify wall or bulletin board. Students can answer this prompt by either writing or drawing a picture. My school counselor helped me succeed by, I feel supported when. For a classroom counseling activity, you can have your students answer this prompt on a template. And for the template, you can use either speech bubbles, microphones, or even a megaphone. And you can use these to decorate the walls or the bulletin boards around the school. To advocate, be sure to take plenty of pictures of these challenges and share them on your school's social media accounts or website. This becomes evidence of impact and not just appreciation. The next idea centers around an amplifying daily challenge of student voice or video. Take the daily Ask a Photo challenges and expand on them to make them more creative and fun. Involve your students, either have them create videos or do morning announcements, and then have your students create short videos like 5 to 10 seconds answering these prompts. Here's a pro tip: you'll have to create a system for how you're going to collect these videos from students, like who you're going to use. You can use your student council if you have them, or you can pick random students when you're doing lunch duty or morning arrival. I would highly encourage your students to do some serious answers and mix in some funny answers too, just to keep things interesting. For example, when I used to do lunch duty, one year for school counseling week, my student answered this prompt: my counselor helps me succeed by giving me extra food at lunch. They always counted on me to give them the extra food that other people didn't want or were about to throw away. And if you're not tech savvy and don't want to create a video, you can do this on a Padlet. During a classroom counseling lesson, you can share a Padlet with your students and have them answer this prompt, and then select random students to read some of these prompts on the daily announcement. Go to schoolcounselor.org to download your daily photo challenges. And for the advocacy angle, this shows how you're directly impacting student lives. So if anyone wants to question what you're doing for students, you can share it with their families, with staff, and even admin. National School Counseling Week is a great way to advocate for yourself so people know what you actually do as a school counselor. You can share classroom counseling lessons directly aligned with a theme of amplifying student success. For elementary, you can focus on big feelings and strong choices, helping them understand how they can make better choices with their feelings and identify them. For middle school, you can share a lesson on advocacy and asking for help, knowing how to understand when things get overwhelming and reach out for support. A lot of times when I worked with middle school students, when they are struggling academically, they don't know how to ask their teachers for help, or they don't have the confidence, and this is a great lesson that you can share. And for high school, you can do a lesson on planning forward, goals, grit, and growth. See, I just gave you a whole theme already there within a theme. For an easy activity, you can have your students do an amplify plan where they talk about what they're going to do to meet these goals. You can also have them highlight one skill that they want to strengthen and at least one adult they can go to for support. And if you do this, I would highly suggest you do a pre and post test so you can show those results to other people so they can see the impact that you're making. This allows teachers and admin to see that you are an instructional partner and you're not just responding to crises and always putting out little fires here and there. That may be part of your job, but it's not the whole. We've been talking about students. Now let's move on to staff. This is where you focus on how you as the school counselor supports teachers and staff in your building. You can share a quick survey, asking them what they need more support on throughout the rest of this school year. This is also a great time, if you haven't done so already, to do a mid-year evaluation and assess if your programs and initiatives have been successful. Feedback is a gift, and don't take it personally. If they share some negative feedback about your program, don't take it to heart. Just use what they share and get better and grow. You can share daily quotes, a newsletter template. You can also share a one-pager with coping skills for staff. You can do a wellness calendar. There's multiple ideas, but teachers really do appreciate these tips. There have been times when I've shared these during National School Counseling Week, and when I go in and visit a teacher, I see that they have them pinned on their bulletin board in their classroom or on their desk. That always puts a smile on my face because it shows me that the resources that I'm sharing with them, they actually appreciate. Another idea that you can share with your teachers is a graphic or a brochure of what school counselors do versus the inappropriate duties or the myths about school counseling. You can even create a trivia game on Blue-Kit or Kahoot. This is interactive and you can do this during a staff meeting. This builds staff and teacher buy-in, and it builds your capacity as a leader on your campus. And you don't want to forget your families. It's a great idea to host some type of family event Or you can share a brochure, a newsletter on social media, a shout out to your communication system where you talk to your families, or you can host a coffee with the counselor session and share topics on how school counselors support students academically, through SEL, character development, and college and career post-secondary readiness. This could be in person, depending on your school's budget, if you can get some snacks for them, because people love coming to events where they can eat. You can do like a video, or you can do a virtual session on Zoom or whatever platform you want to use. The goal of this is to educate families on the role of the school counselor, and it reduces misconceptions, avoids confusion, and increases trust. If you want templates for the resources mentioned in this video, get your copy of my National School Counseling Week resource bundle. It's super affordable, yet fun, creative, and inspiring, just like me. And if you want some more inspiring ideas for National School Counseling Week, check out some of my past National School Counseling Week videos. Every year I share a new set of ideas for how to celebrate National School Counseling Week. So if you want some different options on how to celebrate National School Counseling Week, check out this video on the screen.